Leo, let me ask you a quick question. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop in London or New York and someone turns to you with a big smile and says, "Hey, how's it going?" What's your immediate reaction?
Honestly, if I'm not prepared, my brain pauses for a second. Do I answer good thanks? Do I say not much? Or do I panic and just smile awkwardly?
Exactly. And that's just one greeting. Now imagine being a beginner English learner. You have hello, hi, good morning, how do you do, what's up, how are things? It's so easy to freeze up.
It really is, but here's the secret. You don't need to memorize 50 different greetings to speak great English. You just need a simple, clear system.
And today on English Loom, we are giving you that exact system. By the end of this episode, you will know how to start a conversation with anyone, at work, at an airport, in a coffee shop, or online with total confidence.
Welcome to Level 1, Episode 1 of the English Ladder. Grab your notebook, relax, and let's step right in. Welcome back, everyone. If you watched Episode 0, our roadmap video, welcome back to the ladder. Give yourself a high five for taking action.
And if this is your very first video on English Loom, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. We are building a step-by-step roadmap so you never have to guess what to study next.
Leo, Level 1 is where everything begins. A lot of learners make the mistake of skipping greetings because they think, oh, greetings are too simple. I want advanced grammar.
That is such a big mistake, Mia. Your first impression sets the tone for the entire conversation. If your first 3 sentences sound smooth and natural, your confidence instantly shoots up.
100%. So to make this easy, we're dividing today's lesson into 4 main pillars: formal versus casual greetings, the 3-step self-introduction formula, practice scenarios or role plays, say it better, and pronunciation hacks. All right, let's break down Pillar 1. We split greetings into 2 categories, formal and casual. Mia, when should someone use formal English?
Formal greetings are for professional or respectful situations. Think of job interviews, business meetings, talking to your boss, emailing a doctor, or speaking to someone older than you.
Got it. And what are the most reliable formal greetings?
The most common formal greetings change based on the time of day. Morning, wake up until 12 p.m., good morning. Afternoon, 12 p.m. until 5 p.m., good afternoon. Evening, 5 p.m. onwards, good evening.
Now here's a major mistake many beginners make. What about good night?
Ah, good catch, Leo. Never say good night when you meet someone at 8 p.m. Good night means goodbye or I'm going to sleep now. If you walk into a room at night, you always say good evening.
Exactly. And right after the formal time greeting, you follow up with, hello, how are you today? Or, it's nice to meet you.
Now let's switch to casual greetings. Leo, when do we use these?
Casual greetings are for friends, colleagues you know well, roommates, or people your own age.
Instead of hello, how are you, you'll hear native speakers say hi or hey. How's it going? What's up? How are things?
Let's zoom in on how's it going because you will hear this everywhere in movies and real life. Mia, how should a learner respond to how's it going?
Keep it simple. You don't need a deep answer. You can say, it's going good. Pretty good. How about you? Not bad.
And what about what's up?
What's up literally means what are you doing right now? So the standard response is, not much, just working. You? Nothing much, just chilling.
Great. Now you know how to open the door with a greeting, but what happens next? You have to introduce yourself without freezing up.
Don't panic. We created a simple 3-step formula that works every single time, anywhere in the world.
Step 1. State your name clearly. Formal, hello, my name is Leo. Casual, hi, I'm Leo.
Pronunciation tip. Notice how Leo said I'm instead of I am. In natural spoken English, we use contractions. I'm Mia sounds much more relaxed than I am Mia.
Step 2. Share 2 key details, where you're from and what you do. Example, I'm from Chicago and I'm a software developer. Example, I live in Tokyo and I study graphic design.
Step 3. Add a friendly closing. Formal, it's a pleasure to meet you. Casual, nice to meet you, man.
Let's put this into practice. Mia and I are going to act out 3 different real-life scenarios so you can hear how these steps blend together naturally. Scenario A, formal job interview, business event.
Good morning. Welcome to our office. My name is Mia.
Good morning, Mia. My name is Leo. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you too, Leo. Please have a seat. Did you find our location okay?
Yes, thank you. The directions were very clear.
Wonderful. To start off, could you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Of course. I'm from Chicago, and I've been working in digital marketing for 3 years. I'm really excited to be here today.
Scenario B, casual coffee shop or meeting a friend's friend.
Hey, are you Leo?
Hey, yeah, I'm Leo. You must be Mia. Sarah told me about you.
Yes, nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too. How's it going?
Pretty good, just grabbing some coffee before work. Are you studying around here?
Yeah, I'm taking a graphic design class down the street. How about you?
Oh, cool. I work at a small design agency nearby.
Scenario C, online community or video call intro.
Hi, everyone. Can you hear me clearly?
Hi, Leo. Yes, we can hear you loud and clear. Welcome to our English Loom study group.
Awesome. Hi, guys. I'm Leo. I live in Italy, and I joined this group to practice my speaking confidence.
Welcome, Leo. It's great to have you here with us.
That brings us to our favorite segment, Say It Better.
This is where we take textbook English that sounds stiff and upgrade it to modern, natural speech.
Textbook phrase 1. I am fine, thank you. And you?
Say it better. I'm doing good, thanks. How about you? Or, doing well. How are things with you?
Textbook phrase 2. What is your profession?
Say it better. What do you do for work? Or, simply, what do you do?
Now let's review today's keywords in our word tour. Greeting, noun. Words or actions used to welcome someone. Example, hello is a universal greeting. Formal, adjective. Professional, official, and respectful language. Example, use formal English in job interviews. Casual, adjective. Relaxed and friendly language for everyday life. Example, hey is a casual way to say hi. Contraction, noun. Shortening 2 words into one. Example, I am becomes I'm. Using contractions makes you sound more natural.
We covered a lot of ground today. Now it's your turn to climb the next step of the ladder.
Here is your practice task for episode 1. Scroll down to the comment section right now and introduce yourself using our 3-step formula. Your name, use a contraction like I'm, where you live or your job, a friendly sign-off.
For example, hi, I'm Rahul. I live in Mumbai and I'm an engineer. Great to meet you, Mia and Leo.
Mia and I will be going through the comments, reading your introductions and replying to as many as possible.
In episode 2, we're moving up to daily routines, talking about your day, and asking simple questions.
Re-watch this episode, repeat the dialogue out loud, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English.
Keep practicing, keep climbing, and we'll see you in episode 2.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.